January 12th, 2017. Going to give the Genesis Mining update. This is day 19 since I purchased my mining contract, 1 terahash mining contract. We'll take a look at the my spreadsheet where I'm tracking my daily payout performance. We'll look at the Bitcoin price, look at the chart, and again, here's my affiliate code. If any of you are interested in purchasing a mining account or upgrading your hash power, if you already have a mining contract, if you would use my affiliate code, it will get you some money off, and it will help me on my hash power upgrade as well. So let's jump over to Genesis Mining website, and 0.0004 was my payout today. Yesterday, on my previous video, I had noted that yesterday's payout was the lowest that I had received since I started doing Genesis Mining and getting payouts. And just as I look today, again, another lower payout, 0.000405555. So if we look at spreadsheet here, cumulatively I'm at 0.0094 of payout, which at a $900 price on this base case, $900 per Bitcoin, it's about $8.46 thus far, but we're at about $8.25, so it'd be about $7.76, and at that rate it's going to take me 73 days in total before I reach a $30 US dollar equivalent payback, at which time I would reinvest that to increase my hash power. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, as we've had a nice little move up today. And if we look here at, again, this is the Bitcoin chart as quoted on Bitstamp on the hourly. You can see here we kind of been hopefully finding a base around the 750 range, and when we zoom back out and look at the chart on the daily, 750 is really where we found a consolidation low back here on early December, before we had the big move up. So we're kind of bouncing around right here, and I mean we've gone from 1140 all the way down to 760. So I mean I wouldn't put a whole lot of faith in this move up here to 830. I mean it's only a very small retracement of this overall dump. And if we look back on let's just stay here for a second. I like to use on when I'm looking at currency trading this Ichimoku cloud, which when the price is above the cloud, it's supposed to be in an uptrend. When it's below the cloud, it's kind of in a downtrend. The cloud is supposed to act as support when the price is above, and then resistance to the price when it's below. So really, on the daily time frame, if this strategy of Ichimoku relative to Bitcoin here is gonna have any predictive value, it looks like it's finding that support here, and now we're just going to need to start taking out, making some higher lows, and to get back up over $1,000. So look at the hourly. Again, we're going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost 15 hours now of higher lows on the hourly chart. And here you can see we're right into that cloud resistance. The price always seems to kind of come back to the cloud when you've got a massive move down like we did here. It's natural to expect a bounce or retracement. And what I've taken the liberty of doing here was putting in from this high here before this latest leg down to the low, a Fibonacci retracement, and we're right at just below 50% retracement of this move down. So again, it could be a dead cat bounce, or it's possible that 750 is going to be kind of the next the new interim base. And if we pull back some and make a higher low relative to 750, and then start making higher lows, we may be looking a bit more constructive. But for now, I'm treating this as suspect, and really until we get back up over the $920 level, I'm going to treat this as kind of a dead cat bounce rally. So guys, let me know what you think. Hoping Bitcoin can kind of stabilize, like I said, here at the 750, and we can start moving back up. I'm gonna do another video later. I use Coinbase as my wallet, and this is the GDAX exchange that Coinbase quotes their prices off of. I think GDAX and Coinbase are kind of one and the same, but this is the trading platform as opposed to just seeing the buy and sell price on Coinbase through on your mobile phone or through the desktop version of Coinbase. But this here, you can kind of see how the bids and the asks are stacked up, latest trades over here on the right hand side. I mean, I currently don't have anything here. I could move my Bitcoin over from Coinbase into here and day trade, but that's not really what I'm into this for at the moment. But I just wanted to kind of show this to you. Again, this is on the hourly here. You can see, again, just like on the previous chart, these higher lows kind of moving all the way up from this interim low. So anyway, we'll take a look at some of this later, kind of a deeper dive. But for now, I just wanted to update my Genesis mining progress, or slowing progress, and again taking a look at this chart, and hopefully this turns out to be more than a dead cat bounce on Bitcoin. Have a good one.